In this guide, I'll show you how you can change your IP address on a Windows 11 computer. So to start, we need to know what our current IP address actually is, and you can do this by heading over to the Start menu, searching for CMD, and then right-click on Command Prompt and run this as administrator. Inside of here, we just need to type in the command ipconfig and then hit enter. And as you can see down here, we'll have a bunch of numbers appear. Now this IPv4 address here is our current IP address, and yours is going to look slightly different to this, but it will always start with this 192.168, and then your numbers at the end here will be different to me. And you'll also see your subnet mask and your default gateway, which we need to take note of for later. So now we know that our IP address is this IPv4 one here. We can now look at how we change this. So just minimize this window, and we're going to head over to our Start menu, search for Control Panel, and then head over to the Control Panel tab. Inside of here, make sure View By is set to Category, and then come inside of Network and Internet, inside of Network and Sharing Center, and then select Change Adapter Settings from the left-hand side here. And now you need to locate your network adapter or the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to. So for me, it's this Wi-Fi one here. And we're going to right-click on our Wi-Fi, come into Properties, and then you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 and come into Properties. So inside of here is how we change our IP address. So first, we just need to select Use the following IP addresses, and then we're going to come back over to our Command Prompt window, and you'll see these three numbers at the beginning, 192.168, and this third number might be different for you, but you want to copy these exact same numbers inside of this IP address here. So I'm just going to type in 192.168 and 0, and this might be slightly different for you. You just simply need to copy whatever the numbers are here. And then this last number at the end here, this 154, is the number that we can change. And you can basically use any number between 1 and 255. So I'm just going to type in a random number here of 78. And then we need to just click on this subnet mask, and this should just autofill for you. And then for the default gateway, you want to come back over to the Command Prompt, and you want to copy this number here. So for me, it's going to be 192.168.0.1, and I'm just going to type that in now, 168.0 and 1. And the last thing we need to do here is come down to this section where it says use the following DNS server addresses, and we're just going to connect to Google's free public DNS servers. So down here, we need to type in 8888 and 8844 and hit OK. Then close out of this window. And now we've successfully changed our IP address. And if we come back over to this Command Prompt window, and once again, if we just type in ipconfig and hit enter, you can see now my IPv4 address is changed to this 192.168.0.78 number. And it's as simple as that, guys. Now, if this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.